In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Amazon without returning the product. This walkthrough shows you exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to tell if your order is eligible for a no-return refund, all while keeping things simple and clear. Start by opening your browser and heading to Amazon.com. On the top right of the homepage, click Returns and Orders. This takes you to a list of your recent purchases. You may be prompted to sign in before you see your orders. Once you're on the orders page, find the specific item you want to address and select it so you're looking at the correct product. Next, click the button labeled Return or Replace Items. This opens Amazon's return flow for that product. You'll be asked to choose a reason from a list such as damaged, wrong item, or defective. Pick the option that accurately reflects what happened and keep your explanation honest and straightforward. Clear details help Amazon decide the best resolution, and accuracy matters for your account standing. After you choose your reason, continue to the next step. This is where Amazon evaluates the situation and may present different outcomes based on factors like the item, the issue reported, and their policies. If the item is eligible, you may see a message that says, "Refund issued, no return required." That means Amazon is processing your refund without asking you to send the product back. There's nothing else you need to ship or print, and your refund will go to your original payment method once it's processed. If you don't see that message, Amazon will instead ask you to return the item and show you available return options. If your goal was only to check for a no return refund, you can stop here and decide whether you want to proceed with a standard return. A few helpful tips as you go. Keep all packaging and the item in its received condition until you know the outcome. If your refund is approved without a return, monitor your orders page for confirmation and timing updates. Refunds typically appear on your original payment method after Amazon finalizes them, but processing times can vary by bank. And most importantly, select the reason that truly matches your situation. Accurately describing the issue supports faster, fair resolutions and helps you stay within Amazon's policies. That's it. By following these steps, you can quickly check whether Amazon will issue a refund without requiring a return, and complete the process confidently when it's available.